Hi, short video to talk to you about this HP laptop. So this is a Intel Core i5 8th generation and it's faulty. Does not work. Sold as faulty. The history of this is unknown. So I don't know what the fault is apart from it won't turn on. I have taken the back off. It has no RAM and no storage inside. Now I think myself this is water damage because the inside cover has got coffee on it, but the board looks clean. So I don't know if someone's got in here and gone on the board, but this is all presuming. Both the feet are missing. So it's in good clean condition the top. The screen looks okay. Don't know if it works. Don't know, if anything works because it doesn't turn on. The trackpad, this button, as you can quite clearly see, is broken. Probably just a little bit of plastic under there is broken off. Keyboard's nice. Now, when you plug the charger in, not included in the cell, and turn it on, the light, is it going to do it now? Don't know if there's enough power in it. Don't know if you can see. So it was turning on and then it turns off. And then it turns on and turns off. I've changed the RAM in it and it still does the same, but no RAM's included. So it won't post. I do not know what the fault is, hence this video. So please don't open a case of not as described where I'm clearly listing it as faulty. All I know is it won't turn on. May have other faults, don't know. Any questions at all, please just ask. Thank you.